Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Ghibli-inspired AI videos for YouTube automation in 2026. So we'll generate scenes, as example, turn them into animations and combine them into a full video. But before we start, you'll need to note that copying some specific characters or scenes from films or anything like that can create some copyright issues on YouTube, so keep that in mind. So the safe approach is to create Ghibli-inspired environments and characters, not direct copies of basically famous characters. So let's get started. Basically, first of all, you would like to open an AI image generator. One of the best options, or the best option so far to create AI images, is Midjourney. But of course, you can create with any other AI tool that you want. It's totally up to you. So first, you'll need to generate the scene of your video using any AI image generator. Write a prompt like peaceful anime village, sunset, soft lightning, hand-drawn animation style, fantasy atmosphere. Of course, the prompt might be annoying for you, so you can use another AI tool to write your prompt for what you want. You can just go to any AI tool like maybe ChatGPT and ask it to write your prompt to generate an image. You can use even ChatGPT to create an image, but if you didn't like it, Midjourney is the best at creating images. You'll have to keep that in mind. But as I said, you can use any other AI tool. So make sure to generate multiple images so you have enough scenes for the video. Then you'll have to go and create consistent scenes. So to make your video interesting, create several environments. Like an example, scenes of village streets, scenes of forests, as example, scenes of mountains, scenes of magical landscapes. These will act as the visual scenes for your video. Then, once, as example, you create, you have 5, 6, 7, even 10 images already, you'll have to start animating those images. You can import your images into any tool. Maybe as an example, you can use something like CapCut or something like that. And once you import your images, them as or there, you can add them to the timeline. Let me just show you an example, quick trick. So here, I'm just going to import like some images, not Ghibli animated images. Of course, I'm just going to show you here. So I do have here some images. Let me just go, I'm going to upload like 4 of those, and I'm going to add those to my timeline. So I want to make a video out of these images. Of course, you can make them long or not long, short, as example, whatever you want. So how not to make those images boring? Because if we play the video right now, so this is going to be the video, this image, then after some time it will change. So it's a little bit boring, right? So to make them less boring a bit, make sure to add some slow zoom in effects, some pan in motion, some transition in between scenes, and these, or basically this creates a simple animated effect. So in CapCut, you can, for example, use the keystones to zoom and stuff like that. Of course, if you want to make your images move and turn them into a video, there are any or many AI tools that does that, but mostly are paid and are annoying to deal with. They will not like make the greatest video unless like there's the unless you use Video 3. Video 3 creates some good videos, but not always. But anyway, it's totally up to you to create whatever you want. So basically, once you generate your video, depending on the images that you have, it's time to add the voiceover story. So to make the video engaging, you will need to add narration and explaining the story or topic of course, the images that you are creating. For example, you can talk about some fantasy storytelling, relaxing nature narration, or maybe just some inspirational stories. I don't know. It's basically up to you to choose whatever you want to talk about. Of course, you will need to create a script. You can't just start talking out of the top because you'll make many mistakes. I mean, you can, but it's preferably to create a script your own, or you can use any AI tools to write your scripts. But if you use AI to write your script, just make sure to review it, edit it, make it your own. Make sure to add your touch. Don't write a script as or read the script as whatever AI wrote you. So Once you finish with that, make sure to uh, assemble the full video. Like once you add your videos, images, story, and everything, just assemble everything. Arrange your scenes in order, adjust any transitions to match the visuals and with the narration examples. If you're changing from calm to worrying or something like that, make sure to just match everything together. You would like to export your video, and once it's exported, you can just go, an example, to YouTube and create. Of course, if you don't have a channel, just go and create it and upload it. So export it in high resolution, upload it to YouTube with a title, description, and thumbnail. Create a thumbnail again using AI, using Canva, whatever you want to create with, and you should be good to go. So that's basically how you can create some Ghibli style AI videos for YouTube automation in 2026 by generating images, animating them, and turning them into a complete video. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.